What's up folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. As you guys know, we have machine learning and data science. In machine learning we have two types, that is classification and regression. In regression we again have two types, that is simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. I have already showed you guys what is simple linear regression and how does it work in my before video. If you guys have not checked it out, I'll link it in the description below. In today's video we'll be checking out what exactly is multiple linear regression and how does it work. So let's get started. First, what is linear regression? Linear regression is a method to identify the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. What is multiple linear regression now? Multiple linear regression is a part of regression, and here it will have two or more independent variables and as usual one dependent variable. That says two or more x values and as usual one y value. The main difference between multiple linear regression and simple linear regression is that simple linear regression contains only one independent variable and one dependent variable, whereas multiple linear regression will contain two or more independent variable and as usual one dependent variable. Let's take the examples of multiple linear regression. That is where in all we are going to use multiple linear regression. First is independent variable effectiveness on prediction. We're going to check the independent variable effectiveness on predictor. Let's take a small example. Does revision time, test anxiety, lecture attendance and gender have any effect on the performance of students? And then the second part where we use multiple linear regression is predicting impacts on changes. That is to understand how the dependent variable changes when we change the independent variable's value. The formula for multiple linear regression is going to be y is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus so on. And here m is going to be the slope. M, we have to calculate the m value 2. So the formula for m is going to be x minus x mean y minus y mean divided by x minus x mean whole square. And let's say that we are assigned to predict the CO2 emission of a car. And let's assume the value of m1 to 125 and m2 to 14. It's going to be y is equal to 125 multiplied by the engine size plus 14 multiplied by the cylinder. Here the engine size is going to be the x1 and cylinder is going to be the x2. Yeah guys, now we know how does multiple linear regression work. Let's take it out with a practical implementation. I'm going to move up to Jupyter Notebook. Yes guys, I have already created a new Python 3 file and here I have imported the necessary libraries too. I'm going to create a class for regression. So I'm going to say regression is equal to linear regression. Yes, and then we have to read the data set. So I'm going to say data is equal to pd.read underscore csv. Let me get my data set. It's here and the downloads. Yes, I'm going to say dot csv. Now let me show you guys the data set. We have the engine size, cylinders and then the CO2 emission. That is, engine size and cylinder is going to be the x value and CO2 emission is going to be the y value. After reading the data set, we have to create the x and y value. So I'm going to say x is equal to pd.drop. I'm just going to drop it, like I'm not going to remove it completely from our table. But for getting the x value, that is cylinder and engine size, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to say pd.drop emissions axis is equal to column. Run it. It shows an error. Pandas have, oh yes guys, sorry, it's gonna be data.drop and then we have to create the y value. So I'm gonna say y is equal to data of CO2 emissions. And after creating the x and y, we have to split the data into train and test. So let's do that. I'm going to say train x, comma test x, comma train y, comma test y is equal to train test split. It's going to be x and y and the test size is going to be, let's say 0.3. Yes. And now we have to fit the data set. I'm going to say regression is equal to regression dot fit. I'm going to fit train x and train y. Yes, and then we have to predict after fitting the data set. So I'm going to say Let me say predict is equal to regression dot predict. We're gonna predict the train X. And let me show you guys the predicted value. Yes guys, we have the predicted value here: 251, 348, 251, 221, 199, 251, 194 and so on. Yes guys, now we know what is multiple linear regression and how does it work. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.